Hi guys, welcome to pluspromotions.ie. My name is Dylan. Today I'm going to be discussing the impact of COVID and how Irish businesses can recover through the unlocking phase. From May 19th, social gathering limitations have been lifted, but that is conditional. That is based on keeping the virus suppressed. This will impact Irish businesses. How can we deal with it? How can we get around these problems? How can we recover in a post-COVID era? And how can we use the internet to help us to grow going forward? Open air workers have gone back. Construction workers, delivery goods, garden centres have all gone back during the unlocking phase. But social distancing is still in place. So we're still seeing situations where physical contact is being discouraged. The best way that you can discourage physical contact with your customers, or I suppose physical contact in general with your customers, touching each other and getting close to each other, is by using the internet. So various forms of it. If you're selling physical goods, an online store, if you're selling services, considering Zoom consultations, considering Skype consultations. Certain sectors in Ireland have been hit pretty heavily. For example, the tourism sector, the outdoor activity sector, that would be hit very, very heavily. But it looks like there is talks of the government introducing, I suppose, staycation vouchers for Irish people to stay at home this year and take vouchers at home, and to use, I suppose, hotels, B&Bs, restaurants at home, tourism activities. So in those industries, it would be a good idea to get ahead of the curve and consider digital marketing. So let's say the government release a grant for staycations or using activities here. One way that you can quickly get that in front of potential clients is using social media advertising, or else email advertising. If you have a mailing list, send out that you straight away have a product that you're willing to offer them to use with a government grant. Or for example, if you have a social media account, could be very, very helpful here as well, where you can market to people who might be considering spending money on that, spending that grant money on a staycation or an activity at home. So since lockdown has occurred, many businesses have seen huge spike in spend on their digital marketing. Since the lockdown has occurred, many businesses have seen doubling and trebling of their online orders. They're viewing it now, what I'm hearing is that people are viewing it as a genuine alternative revenue stream. I suppose some clients wouldn't have been aware of it before, but now I suppose when they're forced to close their stores, they're forced to look at how effective a website can be. So we're seeing doubling in terms of figures of orders for certain clients through their online terminals. Schools remain closed for now, at least until September. So online payment gateways is also a great way to encourage social distancing. So at the moment, we're working with the Rotary Club, developing an app for their Tree of Remembrance, which will hopefully in time offer a virtual tree as well. But I suppose that's besides the point. But the app is actually designed to get in front of their customers, to be in their customers' pocket, and to gather payment online without having to, I suppose, tap a card, or to drop change into a bucket, or to go in and hand a donation to somebody. If you have it in your mobile phone, that is completely distant. Whether we like it or not, mobile phones are creating more distance, and sometimes it can be a bad thing, and sometimes it can be a good thing. Um, Alternative markets should be looked at as well. So, for example, exporting to the UK. If we've had a few hygiene companies that have product that is in very, very short supply and high demand. Um, in these situations, exporting to the UK can be extremely profitable, and it is something that should be considered. Digital marketing is again great for this. Long term, you can expand and build a solid base using search engine optimization and pay-per-click advertising. And in the short term, if you have a product that you're quickly looking to sell, we can use social media tools, email marketing, those type of things to get your brand and product out there and to increase sales. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Dylan, and if you have any questions, please send me an email. It is info@pluspromotions.ie, or you can give me a call directly. My number is 085 804 1664. Thank you so much for watching.